Hello friends, this is sericulture of class 7. Now we start the sericulture. What is sericulture? The rearing of silkworm on large scale is known as sericulture. Now we discuss the sericulture in detail. What is silkworm? Silkworm is a type of moth in which they lay the large number of eggs. These eggs are incubated at a very suitable temperature, that is approximately 25 degrees Celsius, in which the caterpillars are grown out or lay out or coming out from the egg. In that case, the larva will hatch into the silkworm. They grow in the size when the caterpillar is ready to the next stage, that is known as pupa. The first weaves a net to hold itself, then it swings its head from side to side in form of that is the figure number 8. During these movement of head, the caterpillar secrete fibers made up of protein which hardens on exposures to air and becomes a silk fiber. Soon the caterpillar completely cover itself by the silk fiber and turn into the pupa. This covering is known as cocoon. The further development of pupa into mouth continues inside the cocoon. Silk fiber are used for weaving silk cloth. Can you imagine that the soft silk yarn is as strong as compared to the thread of steel? Silk yarn thread is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. There are variety of silk moth which look very different from one another. The silk yarn they yield is different in texture or another quality of the fine thread. There are large varieties of silk known as tussar silk, muga silk, kosa silk. These are obtained from the cocoon spun by different type of moth. The most common silk moth is mulberry silk moth. The silk fiber from the cocoon of this moth is soft, lustrous and elastic, and can be dyed in different beautiful colors. So sericulture is a culture, it is very traditional in India. India produce a plenty of silk on the commercial scale. Now we discuss the each by each. In that case, first is two type of moth. One is known as male and female. The female moth lay the hundred of eggs in the tray, which are incubated at a very suitable temperature. In that case, the caterpillar are grown from the egg. The caterpillar can eat the mulberry leaves on a very high rate. In that case, they grow its size and change into the next stage, it is known as a pupa. The pupa secrete the fine thread that is known as silk thread and makes the covering, it is known as cocoon. The cocoon is taken by the farmer and put it in the hot water. After that we get the fine silk thread. That silk is reeled or reel in the industry to make the fabric. That's all about the sericulture.